Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we will see how we can implement Dapper ORM in ASP.NET Core. Okay, or along with that we will create CRUD APIs so that we will use the Dapper ORM. Okay, and the Dapper is lightweight ORM as compared to the entity framework ORM. Okay, so basically in the Dapper we will write the SQL queries. So it means that we will directly touch the database. That's why it is far better than the entity framework. And along with that, it has the quality of less tracking as well. Okay, so let's get started with the main content. Okay, so without getting any delay. So here in the app settings, we have added the default connection strings. Okay. Now what I will do, I will just take help of minimal APIs. Okay. I will create the minimal APIs and thereafter we will register minimal APIs in the program CS. So public static. Okay. In the static class, I will create the static method. Okay. Map book minimal API like this. Now I will simply I will just call use an interface I and point router builder. Okay, or I will just name it as a app. Okay, so simply first I will create the get API. Okay, in the get API I will just try to get all the books record from the books table. Okay, so I have created an anonymous method. Now first I will create the query to fetch the all records from the books table. So I will just name it as a query or select star from books. Okay, after that I will I will take the connection string. Okay, so simply what I will do, I will pass the I configuration config like this. Okay, now I will try to fetch the configuration. Uh, good. Okay, and my connection string name is default connection. Simply I will pass it here. Now I will create a new SQL connection. Okay, and it is very necessary to use this thing. Okay, so in the SQL connection we have passed the connection string. After that what I will do, simply I will just try to get the data. Okay, so SQL connection dot query async. Okay, I will use the query async method. In the query async method uh, I will just pass the query as well. So in this way uh, we can get the query, we can fetch the all records. And I will make the book uh, model as well. Okay, in the book entities I have four fields, which is ID, title, author and genre. Okay, so in this way uh, I will try to get data using this query. Okay, and query async is the inbuilt method which is available in the Dapper ORM. Okay, along with that what I will do, simply I will return the return results dot okay, and I will pass the data here like this. So in this way I have created my first minimal API, or I have used the Dapper ORM. Okay, and earlier I told you that in the Dapper ORM we write SQL queries and we will directly work on the databases. Okay, via writing the SQL queries. Okay, if I run this application, okay, so the postman. Okay, and I already write the API here. Okay, I have used this endpoint here. Okay, and I will try to send the request and I will get the data. Okay, so where it is causing the issue, it is telling me 404. Okay, and why it is causing this thing here. So let me check here again. Okay, okay guys, I forgot one thing before do uh, anything. Okay, first you have to register the minimal APIs, and it is a very important thing. Okay, so simply I will run this API again. Okay, successfully we are getting the results. Okay, so please don't make this silly mistakes that I have done. Okay, so never forget to register this API, register this method in the programs. Yes, and after that, if you are using the async method, so you have to use the await keyword, and you have to make this anonymous function as a asynchronous. Okay, I will create another endpoint. Okay, so for the post API, so simply I will just make it as a map post. Okay, or I will pass the uh, book DTO. Okay, in the book DTO, uh, we have the same fields that we have already in the book entities, and I will write the insert query, insert into books, or I will choose the author, title, genre. Okay, there I will pass the values as well. So at that author, title, or genre, make sure that you are maintaining the order that you are trying to get in the data. Okay, or along with that we have write the query. First we have to use the uh, execute async. Okay, and in the execute async we have to write a very important thing, which should be we have to pass the data. Okay, first thing is that. So first we will pass the author, and in the author we will pass the author from the DTO. Now I will pass the title from the DTO as well, like this. Okay, or generate DTA dot generate, like this. Okay, so we have we are passing the data using the anonymous function, and I will just write the results dot created. Okay, or I will just remove this thing here. Okay, and I will make it as a anonymous variable. Okay, so in this way we will gonna to insert the data in the books table, and let me show you something, and it is a very important concept to know that how we can insert the row using the Dapper ORM. Okay guys, so I hope you are enjoying this video, you are learning a very good thing. Okay, or trust me guys, Dapper is a very classic concept in the .NET Core. Okay, and I will just turn it to the post, or since there we use the suggestions. Okay, and I hope everything looks good. Okay, so we are getting 201. Okay, and if I just turn it to the get, and we will get our records, which is Rohan. Okay, so in this way we can get the data from the get API. Okay, and there I show you that how we can post the data. Okay, after that what I will do before going further. Okay, let me simplify this thing for you, like we are repeating these things again and again. Okay, so before doing something else, okay, so let me show you something that we can do for this. Okay, so simply what I will do, I have the application DB context, and in the application DB context we have so many we can do a very important thing, which is private read only. Okay, or I will pass the connection string. Okay, so connection string like this. Okay, now I will create a constructor. In the constructor I will configuration config like this. Okay, or let me pass the connection string, or config dot get connection string, the connection string name is default connection, and simply I will paste it here. Along with that, what I will do simply, I will create a method which should be public uh, void connect like this. In the connect method I will use the I will use the mm, it should be SQL connection type. Okay, new SQL connection. Okay, I will establish the connection string here like this. Okay, so in this way we write the connect method. Okay, now what I will do simply, I will go here. Okay, uh, along with that, where, okay, here I will call the application db context. Okay, context. Okay, along with that, I will name it as a SQL connection of context dot connect. Okay, so we have done a very important thing here. Okay, or let me press it this variable here, or make sure that guys, you have successfully uh, registered this application db context in your program CS as a singleton. So I will simply register this thing here. So builder dot services dot add singleton. Okay, or simply I will paste it here. Okay, so I have registered my application db context as a singleton. So in this way, we have done this thing, or I will run this application again. Okay, or we will try to get the data uh, to check that everything is working perfect or not. Okay, and simply I will get the request, or let's see how the things are working here. Awesome, so the things are working fine. So in this way, we have we have minified the things here. Okay, or let me do it, do the same for it as well, or where SQL connection. Okay, along with that, what I will do, I will pass the application db context, or here I will just pass the things here, or context dot connect like this. So in this way we have managed the things in the minimal APIs, and here I have showed you that how you can minify these things here like this. Okay, in the application DB context we have we have created the connect method. Okay, or along with that you can create the execute and a query async method as well. Okay, so it's totally up to you how you can, how you manage the things in your application. So if you get an idea about the Dapper ORM, okay, and I showed you that how you can post and get the data, and now it's it is your homework for you that you have to create the APIs to delete. Okay, to delete, update, and get by ID reports. Okay, and you have to manage and you have to create these three APIs on your own. Okay, so that you will get an idea about how you can do these things, and you will get to know that have you learned everything or not in the Dapper. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till here. And guys, I just want to remind you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends or colleagues on YouTube as well, and hit the like button. Or guys, and there is a very important update that I am working on my website. Okay, our team is building the website for you. There you will find our daily blogs regarding SQL.NET, C Sharp, or along JavaScript as well. Okay, or it will be very helpful for you. Okay, like if you're preparing for interviews or other related things, you can find everything there. Or along with that, you will get the daily updates regarding our videos and our post. You will find there. Okay, so till then, take care, guys. Bye bye. Have a good day.